Hi guys, welcome to Precal online distance learning. I'm just gonna go over a few things that you would need for the rest of the 7 weeks. Yes, that is 7 more weeks for the semester to end. So all the work is gonna be uploaded on Google Classroom. When we meet, so our meetings, if you have questions or concerns about the assignment, the topic, or just materials, if this link is here, that means that there is a live meeting going on and you can join and ask any questions or concerns you may have about the class. So, in the classwork, you will have everything will be separated by its week and the days it would be due. So, starting with week 1, day 1, April 28, you'll have the PowerPoint, the assignment you're going to be submitting, which is week 1, day 1 parabolas, and the final thing, which will be an exit slip. You should be familiar with the type of format we are going to be using because I believe both Ms. Saldana and Ms. Gonzalez are using the exact same format. I try to keep it the same so you guys aren't getting as confused with the different classes. Please read everything that's always posted in the assignments. You're going to begin by clicking here, which will lead you to this introduction video. Like I said, any questions or concerns, those are the times for the office hours. Also, feel free to send me an email or a message through the Remind app, whichever one works best. Just remember to identify yourself, write your first and last name, just so I know who I'm speaking to. And then if you click here, it'll take you to the link of the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is where all the work, the math work would be done. It'll let you know what materials you would need for the day. It is a math class, so unfortunately we would need some type of paper and pencil ready to go. However, I am going to give you a second option just in case you're more of a tech-savvy person and you prefer to do everything online. Then you just go through the assignments and fill in. As you're reading the PowerPoint, you will be filling out the Google Docs. So then you'll write the objective in your own words in this little space right here. You go to the warm-up. I'll try to make the warm-ups open-ended where you're not having to add or create any math, just kind of like what are you thinking about. Then you'll go to the video lecture and you can either read through the PowerPoint and it should have the information to answer all the questions, or once again you can click here to listen to the video lecture and I will be talking through the PowerPoint so you can answer the questions and you will be filling out and answering each question with complete sentences. And then at the end, we'll be doing a check for understanding. So this is what you guys would do with the whiteboards, the U-tries. I still want you guys to try to do the work. This is when you'll need your paper and pencil or something to be writing out the work. The only thing I need here is the final answer of the U-try, just how we would do it in the notes. To insert equations into the Google Docs, you go to Insert, and then you'll find this beautiful button called Equations. And you can kind of mess around with it to kind of figure out how you would type your equation. If it doesn't look nice, that's fine. I understand as long as I get a gist of what you did. You're getting points for everything you're doing. Every section is labeled with its own set of points. At the end, you're going to process and summarize the lesson. What did you learn? And the final thing is your exit slip. Most of the things have links. So for example, this Google Forms has a link. If it says click here, it has a link. I will be checking this Google Docs. At the end, it says, please do not forget to click turn in so I can grade and provide feedback to your assignments. So like I said, everything should be on Google Classroom. The PowerPoint is laid out. I try to make the Google Docs something you should be seeing in your other classes. If you don't have paper and pencil, because even I as a teacher did not have paper and pencil at home. I had paper but no pencil. You can download this app which comes with Microsoft, which is called OneNote, and it allows you to draw, and you can actually show your work. So if you want to do like 2x, and I know it's gonna look sloppy, but just something that you can write on. And if you are, because for the exit slip I will be asking you to submit and show all your work, you can type in the computer you have snipping. It's called the snipping tool, and you can actually take a screenshot of your work. So then I will go screenshot that, copy it or save it, file, save as, and it will save the image, save the work that I completed. Because for the exit slip, you are being asked to show your work for one problem, just so I know that we're doing the work, we're understanding it, and we're not just Googling or using our math apps to plug in the answer. If you don't like OneNote, you can also use PowerPoint. So then if you go to Microsoft PowerPoint, it also has a draw option, and I think this is something you guys might be more familiar with. Then you'll just same thing, click draw, and you're able to draw with your computer and show your work. And I can show you guys how that would look like on the exit slip. So if I click on it, it'll take me to the Google Classroom link, and then I will go down, exit slip, and here you will be submitting, adding your file for your work, either a picture of your work or a image that you did the work through either PowerPoint or OneNote or some other app that maybe you found and you find easier to use. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will be responding as soon as I can, and I will be available on Tuesday, April 28th. I hope to see you guys there on the Google Meet chat, and good luck.